Alright guys, what's up? It's the Guru here. Just want to let you guys know Beta has officially announced their 2021 race editions. They went pretty much the same this year, except adding a 200 race edition, which they had not done in the past. So this year they have a full 8 model lineup, 4 2-strokes and 4 4-strokes. So you get the, let's check them out, 2021 models. Off-road race. So you get the 125, 200, 250, and 300 2-stroke, as well as the 350, 390, 430, and 480 4-stroke. Now, as far as what these bikes have on them that are different, obviously the look is a little different. It's a little flashier. But you also get the KYB AOS closed cartridge front forks, special valving developed by Beta engineers specifically for off-road. Supposedly these forks are the only one of its kind in the US with these settings. They're supposed to have a bunch of internal anodized components to reduce friction and stiction. Still has the Sachs rear shock, which a lot of people tend to like, really. They say it's been refined for 2021 to match the KYB front fork settings better, so we'll just have to see about that when testing comes out. You get the black anodized triple clamps. The race editions are lighter weight over the standards due to the removal of the oil injection system. You can still add the oil injection as an accessory if that's what you want to do, except on the 125RR race. A few other features include a front axle pull for quicker tire changes, moto-style handguards, Metzler 6 days off-road tires, extra wide billet foot pegs, dual material rear sprocket, which is just your steel outer ring sprocket, some more billet goodies. You got the special graphics and a seat cover that has an added pouch for your time card. So as far as the availability of these, it's looking like late November, early December. But I'm telling you guys, with everything going on this year, if you want one of these, you're going to have to contact your local dealer and probably put down a deposit, because they are going to go quick. So if you are interested in getting one from us at AOMC in Charleston, West Virginia, just give us a ring, ask to be sent down to sales, and yeah, we'll get you one of these ordered. As far as pricing, I'll put that up on the screen here. The MSRP is a $380 destination fee, and whatever else your specific dealer might charge. So I think these things look sharp this year. I really do. So I can't wait to get one in. And when I do get one in, you can bet I'll throw up an unboxing as quick as possible. So thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next video.